Welcome back to the 4911 Cyberknights software training series. In this video, we're going to go through how to download and install the FRC Game Tools. If you're writing code for robots, chances are you're going to want to run your code on robots, and that is what the FRC Game Tools allows you to do, among other things. Do a web search for FRC Game Tools, and you're looking for the National Instruments website. You can go through wpilib.org, but it's quicker just to get them from National Instruments. Click the download link, and you'll be pleasantly surprised to see that it downloads quickly, but all the waiting is going to come later. When you run the installer, it's a multi-step process. You'll start by accepting a license agreement and then installing what's called a package manager. After you have the package manager, you can proceed through the installation, accepting all the default options, clicking next several times, and then waiting through a really long loading screen that I've sped up here. The final step is a license activation screen that you can simply cancel out of, and then you'll need to reboot your computer in order to use the tools.